Most incredible Arctic trucks you have to see. When it comes to navigating the harsh and unforgiving terrain of the Arctic, only the most advanced and resilient vehicles can rise to the challenge. The Arctic presents extreme conditions, frigid temperatures, icy surfaces, and relentless snowstorms. For these reasons, Arctic trucks must be more than just robust. They must be engineered for extraordinary durability, reliability, and performance. Treacherous Arctica. The Treacherous Arctica is an extraordinary piece of engineering designed to tackle the harshest Arctic conditions with unmatched capability. This vehicle stands out with its massive, rugged tires, which are crucial for maintaining traction on icy and snowy terrain. The Treacherous Arctica is equipped with advanced suspension systems that ensure stability and comfort even on uneven and challenging surfaces. Its design is optimized for extreme temperatures, featuring an insulated cabin that keeps the interior warm and functional regardless of the external conditions. Beyond its impressive physical attributes, the Treacherous Arctica boasts powerful engine performance that enables it to traverse deep snow and ice without breaking a sweat. The truck's high ground clearance and reinforced chassis provide additional protection against potential obstacles, such as hidden ice and snowdrifts. This vehicle is not just a tool for transportation, but a reliable partner for researchers, explorers, and engineers who operate in some of the most remote and harsh environments on the planet. The Treacherous Arctica embodies the pinnacle of Arctic truck design, combining robustness with cutting-edge technology to deliver exceptional performance. Burlak. The Burlak is a formidable Arctic truck, known for its resilience and adaptability in the face of extreme conditions. This vehicle is designed with an emphasis on durability, featuring a reinforced frame and heavy-duty components that can withstand the stresses of icy terrain and sub-zero temperatures. The Burlak's exterior is built to resist corrosion and damage from harsh weather, ensuring that it remains reliable throughout its operational life. One of the standout features of the Burlak is its advanced traction control system, which allows it to navigate through deep snow and ice with remarkable ease. The truck's large, aggressive tires are designed to provide maximum grip and stability, while its high ground clearance helps it avoid getting stuck in snowdrifts or ice ruts. Inside, the Burlak offers a comfortable and heated cabin, which is essential for maintaining operational efficiency and crew comfort in the frigid Arctic environment. This vehicle is a testament to engineering excellence, built to tackle the most challenging Arctic conditions with confidence and reliability. Harshest Shaman. The Harshest Shaman is a true marvel of Arctic engineering, designed to meet the demands of the most extreme environments. This vehicle is characterized by its powerful engine and robust construction, which allow it to handle the rigors of Arctic exploration and research. The Harshest Shaman features a specialized suspension system that absorbs shocks and vibrations, providing a smooth ride even over rough and uneven terrain. What sets the Harshest Shaman apart is its versatility and adaptability. The truck can be equipped with a range of custom attachments and modifications, including snowplows, winches, and specialized cargo carriers. This flexibility makes it an invaluable asset for various Arctic operations, from scientific research expeditions to emergency response missions. The Harshest Shaman's rugged design and advanced features ensure that it can handle the most challenging conditions while delivering reliable performance and safety. This vehicle exemplifies the spirit of innovation and adaptability required for success in the Arctic. Neo-Rescal. The Neo-Rescal is a cutting-edge Arctic truck that combines advanced technology with exceptional durability. This vehicle is designed to excel in extreme cold and harsh weather conditions, featuring a high-performance engine and an advanced drive system that ensures reliable operation in icy environments. The Neo-Rescal's unique design includes a reinforced chassis and specialized tires that provide superior traction on snow and ice. One of the most notable aspects of the Neo-Rescal is its emphasis on safety and comfort. The truck is equipped with state-of-the-art navigation and communication systems, allowing operators to stay connected and informed even in remote and isolated areas. The cabin is designed to provide maximum comfort, with heating systems and ergonomic seating that help crew members remain focused and effective in challenging conditions. Pininfarina. The Pininfarina is a remarkable Arctic truck that stands out for its blend of high-performance engineering and sophisticated design. This vehicle is built to handle the extreme conditions of the Arctic with precision and reliability. The Pininfarina features a powerful engine and a high-torque drivetrain that ensure excellent performance on icy and snowy surfaces. Its advanced suspension system provides a smooth ride, absorbing shocks and vibrations from uneven terrain. In addition to its technical prowess, the Pininfarina is designed with a focus on user experience and comfort. The truck's cabin is equipped with modern amenities and climate control systems that keep operators comfortable in the coldest conditions. The exterior design is optimized for aerodynamics and efficiency, reducing fuel consumption and enhancing overall performance. Ski Path. The Ski Path is an extraordinary Arctic truck designed specifically for navigating snow-covered terrain with ease. This vehicle is equipped with specialized skis in place of traditional wheels, allowing it to glide effortlessly over deep snow and icy surfaces. The Ski Path's design focuses on maximizing flotation and minimizing ground pressure, which helps prevent it from getting stuck in snowdrifts or sinking into soft snow. The Ski Path's advanced propulsion system ensures smooth and efficient operation, even in the most challenging Arctic conditions. The truck is powered by a high-performance engine that delivers reliable power and acceleration, while its lightweight construction enhances maneuverability and agility. Inside, the Ski Path features a well-insulated cabin that provides a warm and comfortable environment for the crew. Comus 8x8. The Comus 8x8 is a cutting-edge all-terrain vehicle designed to tackle the most challenging environments with exceptional performance. Its 8x8 configuration, meaning it has 8 wheels and all of them are powered, provides superior traction and stability across a variety of terrains, from icy landscapes to rugged off-road conditions. This vehicle is engineered to deliver outstanding performance in extreme environments, where conventional vehicles might struggle. One of the most notable features of the Comus 8x8 is its robust suspension system. The advanced suspension allows it to handle rough and uneven surfaces with ease, reducing the impact of bumps and jolts on both the vehicle and its occupants. This makes it ideal for navigating through snow, mud, or rocky terrain where stability and comfort are crucial. Burlet Off-Road. The Burlet Off-Road is a high-performance vehicle engineered for the most demanding off-road adventures. This vehicle is designed to excel in challenging terrains, such as rocky trails, deep mud, and snow-covered landscapes. Its robust construction and specialized features make it a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable and capable vehicle for extreme off-road conditions. One of the key features of the Burlet Off-Road is its advanced traction and drive system. Equipped with powerful 4-wheel four-wheel drive capabilities, the Burlet Off-Road ensures that all 4 wheels are actively working to provide maximum grip and stability. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.